She was tired, her body weak. The cries of her newborn filled the room, but she could barely lift her head. In a quiet Igbo village in West Africa, after childbirth, the mother's body is fragile but tradition knows what to do. It's called omugwo, a sacred time when the new mother is surrounded by women, cared for, and made whole again. An elder woman, often the grandmother, heads to the kitchen. She starts preparing Ji Mmiri Oku, a hot yam and pepper soup, rich with healing power. She peels the yam, boils it gently, and sets it aside. Then she makes the pepper soup, filled with goat meat or fish, and spiced with herbs like uziza, ihuru, and utozi. The yam returns to the pot, soaking in every bit of flavor. When it's ready, the mother is helped to sit. The steaming bowl is placed before her like a gift. Each bite warms her. Each spoonful cleanses her. Each taste gives her strength to rise and hold her child. This is not just food. It is medicine. It is love. It is our tradition. Welcome to Africa, where food heals and motherhood is sacred.